Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chevrolet Malibu. Under the hood we have a 1.5-liter i4 turbo engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in silver, looks great. You got that Chevrolet badging up front with your projector-style headlights right there. And coming around the side here we do have our tires here with our 17-inch rims. They look great still. Let's tread left on them. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signal on them, keeping you nice and safe. And coming all the way around to the back, you got that LT badging, as well as the Malibu right there. And you do have your backup camera. You can press this, opens it up just like that. Lots of room back here. Looks great. That guy does fold down the seats, and you can fold this guy up. And you do have your spare tire just underneath there if you did ever need it. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them all. You also have that one to open up the back. It is also proximity keyless entry, so all you gotta do is press the button and it will unlock for you as long as you have the key on your person. On the door here you do have your locks, the chrome accenting, as well as your electronic mirrors, windows there, handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats. The cloth is very nice. You do have the controls over the seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then up here we have the controls over the lights. So we have our in-cabin light control here, as well as we have our on, our auto, our daytime running lights, and our low beams there. And then up here we do have the control over the high beams and turning signals. Okay, let's start her up. Throw on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also says how many kilometers we have on this guy, which is 62,000, not too bad at all. Now you can switch that around in the center from your speed to your trip A and B, or your 1 and 2. You also have your fuel range, your average liters, your timer, navigation, and then you can switch that around to your vehicle info and your fuel economy over there as well. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options there, your horn, and then your cruise control options right there. Back here we do have the control over our windshield wipers, and then on the back you got a volume up and down button, and then in the center you do have a touch screen display, so you do have your audio up here, and in your audio you do have your AM, FM, your USB, and your Bluetooth. You do also have your gallery, your phone options, projection, your settings, and your OnStar. You got your skips here. You also have your power and your volume, and then you do have your phone button there. When you are in reverse, you do have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And down here we do have our climate control, so we have the power up and down. We have our defrosts here and here, and then where it's going to blow out of, our AC and circulation, and the temperature. You got some storage in here. You have your traction control there, and you do have your gear shift right here. You have your cup holders, as well as you do have your armrest. It doubles as a storage container. Looks great in there. And then over here we do have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you do have your OnStar button, as well as the button for the lights. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you have your handle. You do have the control of your windows and some storage here and here. Looks great back here. Same material as the front. You can fold these seats forward just like this, and you do have an armrest with some cup holders there. And these do fold forward as I did show you before. And there's our 1.5-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2017 Chevrolet Malibu LT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.